On Sunday evening, Beijing, the capital of China, was hit by severe weather, and 3 warnings of hail, strong winds, and thunderstorm were issued. Hail fell in 7 districts including Pinggu, Tongzhou, Shuyi and Miyun, with a maximum diameter of 5 centimeters. Residents of Miyun District said that at around 6 o'clock in the evening, hail began to fall, mixed with heavy rain, and lasted for dozens of minutes. Many cars in the community were smashed out of the pit, white hailstones accumulated on the roofs and roads, and some cars were flooded. The local government assisted in applying for insurance claims. Video on social media showed that the hail fell like a torrential rain, hit the ground and then shattered. The glass of many cars was smashed through, and the ground was covered with a layer of white hail. The Beijing Meteorological Observatory has issued a yellow hail warning. At present, Beijing is under a yellow warning for hail, strong winds, and thunderstorm. The general public is reminded to arrange the itinerary reasonably, pay attention to the risks of heavy rain, lightning, strong wind and hail, to ensure safety.